Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and I have an important RV safety tip for you today. Carbon monoxide gas is invisible, tasteless, odorless, and deadly. To help identify CO gas, your RV comes equipped with a CO detector. But did you know CO detectors expire after 5 to 6 years? Make sure you know what the expiration date is for your CO detector and replace it with a detector designed for use in RVs. If you own an older RV that does not have a CO detector, you should purchase one designed for use in RVs and have it installed. Don't take a chance with deadly CO gas. A properly operating CO detector can save your life or the life of your loved ones. For more information on RV safety, visit www.rveducation101.com. Happy camping!